Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to BIM Expert Zone. Back at it again with new video. Today we are going to discuss what's a new feature in Revit 2021 for structural discipline. Make sure watch this video till the end. Revit 2021 support bridge and civil structure workflow with InfraWorks, including extended bridge category for modeling and documentation. Revit 2021 introduced a new discipline filter and category to better support bridge design workflows. A new infrastructure category filter has been added. 26 new model categories and subcategories have been added to Revit as well as 20 new annotation categories. These categories help manage the display of bridge related elements. As an example, you can define a filter for bridge piers and use it to change the color of bridge piers to blue in a 3D view. This will make it easier to locate such element and understand their function in your model. You can import bridge and tunnel for InfraWorks and perform a detailing in Revit. Adding structural reinforcement, creating a parts and assemblies and completing documentation. The new Revit bridge category supports visibility, graphical override, object style, tags and schedule. For example, you can generate a pier schedule with accurate quantities using field available for bridge under the infrastructure discipline. Revit 2021 offers new features to better support bridge design workflow. Next feature is create a standard 3D rebar shape using hook orientation. Reinforcing bar assemblies known as standard and normally required for the support of top mats of reinforcing bar in thick concrete members such as footing and slabs. These standards have a 3D rebar shape. In the Revit 2021, you can define such 3D rebar shapes by rotating the hook at the end of the bars and directly inputting the hook length for each rebar instance. You can also change hook length for each rebar in the project. This is accomplished by selecting the override hook length option in the property palette and inputting the new length in the respective rebar shape parameter field. This is applicable for any rebar with hooks and required that the hook length be assigned to a rebar shape parameter. You can also use rebar shape with 3D hooks inside path reinforcement to distribute rebar standees in your structural project. Using this new functionality, structural engineers and detailers can now model standardized 3D rebar shape, extract bending instructions and provide full fabrication data for rebar. Next feature is integrated precast automation. Structural precast extension is now native to Revit with precast tool available on install. The structural precast extension formerly offered for Revit is now integrated into Revit 2021 with a dedicated precast ribbon tab located next to the steel tab. These precast features are included in the Revit installation, simplifying their deployment and making them available in all languages supported by Revit. In addition, the on-off button in the previous release has been replaced with enable disable precast update. These changes help prevent the automatic recreation of precast element due to the changes performed on the precast assembly. The integration of this functionality into Revit 2021 supports multiple stages of the precast workflow, offering advanced tool to automate the process of generating precast assemblies, shop drawings, and files for computer-aided manufacturing machines. Next feature is coupler for arc-shaped rebar. Rebar couplers are used in reinforced concrete structure to replace normal rebar lap joints. In Revit 2021, you can now use rebar couplers to connect tangents, arc-shaped bars in circular concrete structures such as curved walls, concrete tank, tunnel, etc. This new feature helps structural engineers and detailers create highly detailed reinforcement model and documentation. Next feature is end treatment without coupler for rebar. In Revit 2021, you can add an end treatment to the end of any rebar without the need for a rebar coupler. Simply select any rebar and change the end treatment at start or end to any of the value defined in the project. This new feature provides structural engineer and detailer with greater control over reinforcement and treatments. Next feature is insert steel element in section and elevation view. Revit enables steel connection and component to the easily and efficiently added to structural model using a variety of tools. Revit users are previously limited to inserting steel component in 3D views and 2D horizontal views such as levels and floor plans. In Revit 2021, this limitation has been removed. Revit user may now place steel component in 2D vertical views. For example, a user may insert a steel plate in an elevation view or vertical section view. This new feature gives you the freedom to model steel component in any view. Wherever you prefer to see, create and adjust them. You can work with steel components simultaneously in 3D and or any 2D views. Next feature is dimension snapping to steel plates. Enhancement to the create, edit, view and snap command behavior with the steel stiffeners and plates. When creating engineering drawing for a steel connection, you may wish to create dimension to the center of a plate for more accuracy. In addition to create edges distance for a steel plate, it is now possible to snap to its midpoint and create dimension indicating the distance from the plate edges to its center both vertically and horizontally. For stiffeners and connection plate along a beam, improvement have been made that enable you to dimension them from center to center with a dimension to the center line of the beam web. Because these dimensions are parametric, if you move these stiffeners, the value of the dimension between them will update automatically. This feature will help you efficiently create an accurately readable engineering documentation for structural steel. Next feature is 3D solid fabric sheets visualization. In Revit 2021, you can view fabric sheets and custom fabric sheets in 3D views as solid or unobscured. This feature can be enabled in the same way as for other types of reinforcement, that is by changing the visibility status which is available in the property palette when a fabric sheet is selected. The solid unobscured representation is enabled by instance. This new feature helps structural engineers and detailers improve coordination and reduce clashes through better visualization and reinforcement. Next feature is creating stiffeners on steel beam. Stiffeners are an important component of structural steel design and they are used to strengthen steel beam or a column. A dedicated tool for creating stiffener is now available in the structural connection setting dialog box. Once loaded into your project, it is available from the type selector. You can then insert stiffeners on the selected steel member by specifying the insertion point. Stiffeners can be moved or copied to a different location along the same beam or to a different one. Because they are parametric component, modifying the section size of the supporting member will be automatically adjust the size of the stiffeners accordingly. Like all Revit families, stiffeners have types. This means you can create a library of stiffeners, simply duplicate an existing type and give it a new name. Here is an example of half-size stiffener. Its parameter can be quickly configured in the property dialog box. The box contains images to help you to understand the impact of changes. This new dedicated tool will help you to efficiently add stiffeners and create more accurate steel design model. Next feature is steel object editing enhancement. In Revit 2021, steel detailing capabilities have been extended to allow more flexibility when modifying steel element or connections. To change the shape of a plate, simply select it, press the edit boundary button and sketch one of the plate's edge. to the desired location. Bold parameters such as quantity, intermediate distance and accessible through the property palette so you can make changes quickly. You can now edit simple and complex cut easily. Simply select the desired cut using the tab key. Press the edit boundary button and choose from several options to change the shape of the polygonal cut and add, for example, a radius to one of its corners. The size of a circular opening can now be adjusted in a similar fashion. Select the opening, press the edit boundary button and enter the desired diameter value. This improvement offers you more flexibility and efficiency when detailing steel in Revit. Next feature is integrated structural analysis resulting exploration. Structural analysis result storage and exploration is now native to Revit on install. The structural result manager and results exploration tool are now integrated into the Revit 2021 installation. This tool enables structural engineer to explore and document analysis result to gain insight into structural behavior, makes appropriate design decisions and document them properly. Results can be presented graphically as map and diagram on element of the analytical model used for analysis. The integration of structural analysis result exploration feature in Revit 2021 enhanced the connection between design and analysis for structural engineers. Let's finish up today's discussion. I hope this video is helpful. I will be back with new video. Till then, you take care and subscribe to our channel.